In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer with a check in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a customer overpays, cancels an order, or you simply need to give money back. When that happens, issuing a proper refund check in QuickBooks Online keeps your books accurate and your customer records clean. I'll walk you through the full process, from creating the check to applying it against the customer's existing credit. First, let's create the refund check itself. In QuickBooks Online, go to the main dashboard and click on the plus New button. From the list of options that appears, choose Check. This opens a new check form. At the top of this form, look for the Payee field. Here, select the customer you're refunding. It's important that you choose the exact customer profile that holds the credit or overpayment, so everything links correctly later. Next, choose the bank account that the refund is coming from. This should be the same account where the original customer payment was deposited, or at least the account you're actually writing the physical check from. Taking a second to confirm this helps keep your bank reconciliation accurate. Now move down to the Category Details section. In the first line under Category, open the drop-down and select Accounts Receivable. This tells QuickBooks that the check is tied to a customer's balance, not just a regular expense. In the Amount field for that line, enter the exact refund amount you're issuing to the customer. If you'd like, you can add a short description, such as refund of overpayment or refund for canceled invoice. This small note can be very helpful later when reviewing transactions or answering questions. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. At this point, you've created the refund check, but you still need to link it to the customer's existing credit or overpayment. To do that, go back to the plus New button and this time select Receive Payment. In the Customer field, choose the same customer you used on the check. QuickBooks will now show you any open items for that customer. Under Outstanding Transactions, you should see the check you just created. Click the checkbox next to that check to select it. Then, look at the Credits section. Make sure the customer credit or overpayment you're refunding is selected there as well. By having both the check and the credit selected, you're telling QuickBooks to match them together. When that looks right, click Save and Close. This links the refund check to the customer's credit and completes the process, leaving both your customer record and your accounting accurate and up to date.